Hey everyone, it's Ed at All You Cars. We are back with this 2014 Volkswagen Caddy van. A little bit different for us, we don't normally deal in commercials, but this thing came in part exchange and it is so clean, I could not say no. It's a 1.6 Tdi Highline, finished in natural grey with the black cloth. Rides on the 19-inch upgraded velar wheels. It's got the gloss black front grills. It's got some very nice subtle upgrades, as you can see. It's not your boring plain white Caddy van. There's no VAT on it. It is in beautiful condition for a van. It's got the slightly tinted windows on the front with the wind deflectors, the roof bars, all very clean on the main panel on the back. Rear parking sensors, aircon, cruise control. As it is the Highline, it is quite well spec'd. A nice little load protector there on the rear bumper. Single sliding door this side. And as you can see, it is in fantastic condition. UATC inside. All four tyres are really good. There's no big dings or anything. Well, there's no dings I've noticed anyway. One or two stone chips on the bonnet. But other than that, very good throughout. Proper nice looking van. Right, let's show you inside. This is all carpeted in the back here, but not been done by Stevie Wonder. It's been done properly. So there you go. We've got both rear doors done with the embossed logo up there for the VW. Now these are windows, and if you don't want them blacked out, this board just comes out and the glass is still behind there. So you've got full privacy if you require it, but if you don't require it, they do pop out if you want to. 3 load nets. Again, you've got the VW logo. Another net this side, and finished properly. I tried to carpet the back of a van or one of my own a few years ago and I made a right hash of it. There you go. Bulkhead delete from factory. Got the overhead storage. Oh, shut the wrong door first. Shut the right door first, then the left door. There you have it. Sliding door all works perfect. There we go. No wear at all really on the steps or anything like that. Bit of soundproofing down there, just to help quieten the interior down. Got your cup holders in the centre. Charcoal cloth seats, which again are as near as damn it perfect. You won't be disappointed with them. Height adjustable, electric mirrors, electric windows, 3-spoke leather steering wheel, which again was an upgrade. Your climate control is there. Mileage is 70,979. I'll just get the key and we'll start her up. So there you have it.
New sailing boat, are you?
Ignore the oil change, it has been serviced. It is ready to go. But there you go, no warnings at all. But all your dash lights work. In the centre, we've got your, I think it's referred to as climatic, but I could be wrong. But anyway, it's manual aircon. There you go, and it all works. Got your radio with your CD. I don't think, oh, this says there's auxiliary somewhere, so there must be an auxiliary input somewhere. No idea where. You'll have to check yourself if that's important. Could be up there, there's a cubby hole up there. But radio and CD with your Parrot Bluetooth, which does work. I've tested it. Parking sensors display on there also. Traction control and start-stop button down the bottom, and your glove box with all your handbooks. There's your auxiliary look. Cracking van, really is without fault. Great on fuel as well, being the 1.6. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you do require finance, we can assist with that. We work with a number of lenders and brokers to try and find you the best deal that we can. Give us a call. Cheers, guys.